Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Jabra Elite 2 earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, we have to remember before the pairing to charge them for like 20 minutes and disconnect any previously connected devices. Next, open this charging case, remove both earbuds, then click and hold on the left and the right earbud and hold them until this blue light starts blinking. Put them close to your iOS device, then smoothly move to the settings, go for the Bluetooth and turn it on. Next, select Jabra Elite 2 from available devices list. When we are successfully connected, you can also open the App Store, where you can find other useful feature. We have to type on the search bar the Jabra Sound Plus, and we have to download this application. As you can see in my case, it's already downloaded, so I can just simply open it. Okay, as you can see right now it is looking for the nearby devices. We have to accept pairing. As you can see, that's the preview of our Jabra Elite 2. And there we are. As you can see, we are successfully in the Jabra Sound Plus application and we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.